Hello friends, my name is Ankita Narkere and today's date is 15 January and today's topic is life cycle of thread and thread scheduler. There are five state a thread has to go through in its life cycle. This life cycle is controlled by JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine. This is state are new, runnable, running, non-runnable, terminate. Then first we will see the one by one, and first it is new. New thread begins. New thread begins that is 4 plus 8 life cycle. This is also called born thread. The thread is in the new state if you create an instance of thread class, but before the invocation of the start method second, runnable. A thread become runnable often. A thread become runnable after often a newly born thread is started in this state. A thread would be executed its task. Running state. When the thread scheduler select the thread, then that thread would a running state. Non-runnable blocked. The thread is still alive in the state, but currently it is not eligible to the run. Fifth, a thread is terminated due to the following reason. Either it is run method. Either it is run method exists normally. The thread code has executed the program, or due to some usually error like significance fault or on unhandling exception. Thread class. Thread class provide the method and constructor. Thread class thread class provide the method and constructor to create the perform operation on thread. Thread class extend object class and implements runnable interface. Now we will see what is thread scheduler. In the Java programming language, the thread scheduler it is a part of the JVM. The thread scheduler will decide which thread should run and which thread should wait. The thread scheduler always choose the thread that can be in the runnable state or runnable. The thread scheduler has responsibility to execute the code. Suppose number of thread running in a machine, then the thread scheduler will decide that which thread will run first. There are two factors for scheduling. This is our priority. Actually the priority lines between the 0 to 10 thread which has the high priority. That means the thread scheduler will choose the thread which is having higher priority, and then he will the execution of it. Then time arrival. At the first we discuss about the priority. We discuss about priority. That means the thread which is having the higher priority will be choose by the thread scheduler. But in the situation where at the same priority threads are coming, then the priority does not matter. The thread scheduler can start the execution of the thread which is coming first, and that is first in first serve. Here priority is not matter, only time arrival is matter. This is the explanation of the life cycle of thread and thread scheduler. Thank you.